So at the end of 2022, I realized that some companies gave awards to the best comedians, the best photographer, the best whatever. And I realized the company that gave Sabinus Comedian of the Year was not the company that gave Nasboy Comedian of the Year. And the company that gave Nasty Black Comedian of the Year was not one of the companies that gave Sabinus or Nasboy Comedian of the Year. What am I trying to tell you? I'm trying to make you understand that no matter how good you are, no matter how professional you are, you cannot be everybody's best. Everybody has what they like. For example, you are a makeup artist. The makeup I like is not the makeup this person likes. That doesn't mean that person's makeup is bad. But at the end, that person will call the person that did makeup for her that she likes the best. Then I will call the person that did makeup for me the best. Same thing goes to photography. Stop feeling like because your work is good, they should start looking at you as the king. No. Nobody should look at you as the king because you are a king to those set of persons that are bowing down to you. There are some other persons, like till tomorrow, some persons will tell you Amazing Clef is their best photographer. The next day, some persons will tell you till tomorrow Praise is their best photographer, Big Age is their best photographer, Kilisha Amadi is their best photographer. That's because one, they have to be comfortable working with these persons. Two, they have to be able to like what that person is producing. Then three, they just have to be free, knowing that this person, they can rely on this person anytime. Automatically, that person becomes their best. So please, oga aunty, when they feel like say you be oga because of your picture good or your work good, just put am for your head.